No room to study? Stressed about your homework and your messy room? You called the right people. Nacho Mama Cleaning Service is here to help.
I'm not your mama, but I'm here to clean your room.
Wow, you guys are lifesavers. Thanks, Nacho Mama Cleaning Service.
$30 Nacho Mama Cleaning Service will be at your door any time of day to clean your room. For an additional $10, we will clean your bathroom until it's spotless. Special requests? No problem. We can organize, arrange, and sort anything and everything for additional fees. Call 870-555-7698 to schedule your appointment today. Again, that's 870-555-7698. Nacho Mama Cleaning Service. No more mess, so you can do your best. Call now.